Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literazi School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing the 7th chapter of Business Studies of class 11th. In this chapter, that is Sources of Business Finance, we have discussed various sources for raising finance, especially owner's fund and borrowed fund. In owner fund, we have studied equity share, preference share, retained earning, global depository receipt, American depository receipt, international depository receipt. Whereas in borrowed fund, we have discussed debentures, loan from financial institutions like UPFC, MPFC, Rajasthan Financial Corporation, loan from commercial bank, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and many more. Public deposit, trade credit, and today we will going to discuss about intercorporate deposit. So intercorporate deposit is one of the source of borrowed fund. Now what does this word stands for? ICD. ICD means intercorporate deposit. It is the deposit made by one company with another company. This option of using finance is available to all public companies, whether having share capital or not. Once again I repeat, it is the deposits made by one company with another company. This option of using finance is available to all public companies, whether having share capital or not. It includes when a company acquires security of another company, when a company gives a loan to another company, third and last, when a company gives guarantee to any person or institution who provides loan to another company. In general, we can say when companies arrange funds from another company, it is known as intercorporate deposit. Once again I repeat, when company arrange funds from another company, it is known as intercorporate deposit. Now, types. Basically there are three types of intercorporate deposit. 3 months deposit. This is the most common deposit to overcome the short-term financial crisis or problems. The annual rate of interest given for 3 months deposit is 12% per annum. Second is 6 months deposit. These are made with first class borrowers. The annual interest rate is around 15% per annum. Third is call deposits. This can be withdrawn by lender by giving 1 day notice. The rate of interest is nearly about 10%. The biggest advantage of ICD is that transactions are free from legal and bureaucratic hassles. There are not so much legal formalities involved in ICD proceedings. Now what are the features of intercorporate deposits? Basically there are 6 features. First is higher rate of interest comparing to commercial banks or any other financial institution. High risk as ICD are unsecured deposit. Basically ICD are unsecured deposits, so there is risk in this form of raising fund. Not suitable for long-term finance. ICD can only solve your short-term financial crisis. It is not suitable for medium and long-term financing. Free from bureaucracy and legal problems. There are no so much legal formalities or documentation when ICD proceedings goes on. These deposits are suitable for borrowing company to solve their short-term funds problem immediately or promptly. Now, one of the biggest benefit of ICD is secrecy. The broker in this market never reveals their list of lenders or borrowers. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.